Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by installing the tools you actually need. Use Homebrew to install Git and the GitHub CLI because the CLI speeds common tasks. Once installed, generate an SSH key with SSH keygen, copy the public key, and add it to your GitHub account so authentication is seamless. Then set Git user, name and user, email locally. This ensures commits are attributed correctly. Finally, test by running SSHT git at GitHub, com and gh, auth status to confirm you're connected. You now move into regular workflows. Clone a repo using gh repo clone or git clone, then create a descriptive branch name with git checkout bfeature/name so changes stay isolated. Make small, frequent commits. Use git add to stage, git commit m with a clear message, and git push origin your branch to publish. Once pushed, open a pull request with ghpr create, add reviewers, and link an issue if needed. This keeps history clean and reviews efficient. You finish by merging and syncing carefully. After approvals, merge via the web or use ghpr merge and pick merge, squash, or rebase depending on policy. This controls commit history. Once merged, sync your local main with git fetch and git pull rebase origin main to keep things linear. If conflicts occur, use git status and git merge a tool to resolve them. If you get stuck, inspect git log and use git reset hard or git rebase abort cautiously.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.